In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ISTEXT function in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to test your data. The ISTEXT function is designed to check whether a value is text. If the value is text, Excel returns true. If the value is a number, a date, a logical value like true or false, a blank cell, or an error, it returns false. This makes the function especially useful when you're validating imported data, cleaning up a data set, or building formulas that depend on whether a cell contains text. The syntax is very simple. Equals ISTEXT, open parenthesis, value, close parenthesis. The value argument can be a direct value, a cell reference, or even another formula. In most everyday cases, you'll use a cell reference, so Excel can evaluate the contents of that cell for you. Let's look at a basic example. If cell A2 contains the word Excel, you can type equals ISTEXT, open parenthesis, E2, close parenthesis. The result will be true because the value in A2 is text. This is the most straightforward use of the function and a great way to confirm whether a text entry has been stored correctly. Now compare that with a number. If A2 contains 150 and you use the same formula, equals ISTEXT open parenthesis A2 close parenthesis, Excel returns false. That's because numbers are not considered text, even if they appear in a similar table or list. You can also use ISTEXT to test different data types side by side. For example, if A2 contains the word Excel, the result is true. If A3 contains 2 and 50, the result is false. If A4 contains a date, the result is also false. And if A5 contains the logical value true, Excel still returns false. This helps you quickly distinguish text from other kinds of data in a worksheet. If you want a friendlier result than true or false, you can combine ISTEXT with the if function. For example, use equals if open parenthesis, ISTEXT open parenthesis A2, close parenthesis, comma, quotation mark, text quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, not text quotation mark, close parenthesis. If A2 contains laptop, the result will be text. If it contains 1200, the result will be not text. This is a great option for reports or validation columns that need to be easier to read. Another common use is validating imported data. If customer IDs are supposed to be stored as text, you can use equals F open parenthesis ISTEXT open parenthesis A2 close parenthesis comma quotation mark, valid quotation mark, comma quotation mark, invalid quotation mark, close parenthesis. This helps you quickly identify entries that don't match the expected format. Finally, if you want to count how many cells contain text in a range, you can use equals count IF open parenthesis A2 colon, A20 comma, quotation mark, asterisk quotation mark, close parenthesis. Or if you prefer, you can test each cell individually with ISTEXT.